In this video, we are going to talk about 10 steps to become a freelancer. So before starting this video, please like this video, and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. Working as a freelancer, rather than being employed by someone else, means being your own boss. Freelancers are self-employed people who work for themselves. They are also known as independent contractors. Other organizations use freelancers on a part-time or short-term basis, but they do not receive the same pay, or have the same level of commitment to any one company as full-time employees. The best thing about freelancing is that it allows you to work on your own schedule and for as long as you like. This is due to the fact that there are more freelancers today than at any other time in history. Here's a list of the top 10 steps to become a freelancer. Let's start. Number 10. Find your space. This may be your kitchen table, the library down the street, a quaint coffee shop, or a posh co-working place. Make it productive, wherever it is, so you can deliver the greatest freelance services possible. Working from home appears to be reasonably simple and handy for employees, but if you prefer the bustle and background noise of a traditional workplace, or if you find it difficult to stay focused at home, co-working spaces are great. Keep in mind that your workspace is quite personal, and for many people, a kitchen table will sufficient. Number 9. Set work boundaries. Being a sole proprietor allows you to spend more time with your family and friends. It can, however, lead to late nights and inefficiency. Try to set a schedule for yourself and keep to it. Certain freelance clients, like some traditional bosses, want their freelancers to be available at all times consequently. Number 8. Sidestep the pitfalls. According to many freelancing veterans, the biggest risk is selling yourself too cheaply. It's critical to recognize from the start that the charge you get must cover your business expenditures and taxes, and you must price your services properly. Freelancers must anticipate to put in a lot of effort in order to be seen by as many people as possible, and to devote time and resources to promoting their work and exploring all conceivable marketplaces. Number 7. Focus on client relationships. Client relationships are the most crucial aspect of freelancing. You'll be more likely to obtain more steady business in the future if you keep a solid relationship with your current clients and provide great work. Make sure you fulfill all deadlines, follow directions, make any necessary revisions, and communicate with your clients effectively. You should still be available to your clients if they have any questions, requests, or concerns, even if you aren't bound by any specific hours. Number 6. Stay knowledgeable. Read relevant trade publications, connect with fellow freelancers on LinkedIn, attend sector-specific networking events, or even take some online training courses through sites like Skillshare and Digital Strategy School to stay on top of current trends. Staying informed leads to many new tasks and simple access to the newest trends, giving freelancers a huge advantage in deciding which projects are the best and take the least amount of time. Number 5. Be flexible. When you first start out as a solopreneur, you may have a preconceived notion of how you want to run your micro-business. More flexible implies more work, is a key to achieving goals, and maintaining a higher ranking among freelancers. Services that you assumed would be quite popular may turn out to be flops, while others may out to be unexpectedly popular. Number 4. Determine your price. Don't work for peanuts, even if your hourly rate or project price is strongly influenced by your skill set and expertise. Of course, if you only have a few years of experience, you won't be able to charge the same amount as a freelancer with a decade of expertise. However, if you want to transform freelancing into a full-time profession in the future, the rate should cover your monthly expenditures provided you have consistent employment, regardless of your level of experience. Number 3. Build your portfolio. Although your profile may claim that you are an astronaut, potential clients are unlikely to trust you, unless you share a selfie from the International Space Station. As a result, while creating your profile, be sure to include a portfolio that showcases your talents and experience. If you're new to your field, take the time to build a portfolio with examples of your work. Even if you're new to Upwork, having a strong portfolio will help you get more profile views, and better quality job invites from potential clients, as well as improved confidence in your abilities and expertise. Number 2. Identify your target clients. Attracting the correct types of clients for your freelance business is just as crucial as discovering a profitable niche. It's fine to take a shotgun approach to gaining a few clients when you're just starting out as a freelancer. Make some assumptions about who you want to work with, then target them first. After working with a few of them, you'll have a good idea whether or not you want to pursue similar clients in the future. Number 1. Define your goals. You'll have a hard time achieving where you want to go, unless you have well-defined, easily measurable goals. Take some time to think about why you're thinking about beginning a freelance business in the first place. Make sure this choice is the best one for you in terms of reaching your long-term objectives. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.